sklearn Gaussian process kernels. Dot product. Description: explain in detail the dot product kernel, also known as the linear kernel, computes the dot product between two input vectors. It assumes a linear relationship between the input features and the target variable. This kernel is suitable for data that exhibits linear trends. Inputs. Input 1. Explain in detail x1, the first input vector. A 1D array of shape n samples 1. Input 2. Explain in detail x2, the second input vector. A 1D array of shape n samples 2. Output 1. Explain in detail k, the kernel matrix of shape n samples 1. N samples 2, where key j represents the dot product between x1 I and x2 j. Output 2. Explain in detail none. Steps. Step 1. Explain in detail. The kernel calculates the dot product between the corresponding elements of the input vectors x1 and x2. Step 2. Explain in detail. The resulting values are stored in the kernel matrix K. Metrics. Metric 1. Explain in detail. R² score. R measures the goodness of fit of the model, indicating the proportion of variance in the target variable explained by the model. Metric 2. Explain in detail. Mean squared error. MSE measures the average squared difference between the predicted values and the actual values. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1. Explain in detail. Scatter plots can be used to visualize the linear relationship between input features and the target variable. Visualization plot 2. Explain in detail. Contour plots can be used to visualize the decision boundary of the model, highlighting areas of high and low predicted values. Parameter 1. Explain in detail none. Parameter 2. Explain in detail none. Uncertainty method 1. Explain in detail. The model provides uncertainty estimates through a variance of the predicted values. Uncertainty method 2. Explain in detail. Confidence intervals can be constructed around the predicted values to quantify the uncertainty. Challenge 1. Explain in detail. The dot product kernel can be sensitive to the scaling of the input features. If the features are on vastly different scales, the kernel can be dominated by the feature with the largest scale. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. If one feature has values in the range 0 to 1 and another feature has values in the range 1000 to 2000, the kernel will be dominated by the second feature. Fixes to challenge 1. Feature scaling techniques, such as standardization or normalization, can be applied to bring the features to a common scale. Challenge 2. Explain in detail. The dot product kernel can struggle to capture nonlinear relationships in the data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. If the data exhibits a nonlinear relationship between the input features and the target variable, the dot product kernel may not be able to model it accurately. Fixes to challenge 2. Nonlinear kernels, such as the RBF kernel or the polynomial kernel, can be used to capture nonlinear relationships in the data.